Who called to go get the bag?
Yeah. Sit back and listen to a ghost speak. I'm on another level, only with a goat's meat. Niggas know I'm hard cause I only eat with goatee. You can see it on my chin, looking like a goatee. I'm fucking up the game, and I keep it on the low key. Can't fuck with snakes cause they moving like they low key. When I'm at the top, yeah, they finally wanna toast me. I'm feeling like I'm Pac, nigga, this is who I'm supposed to be. I guess I gotta show 'em, I gotta show 'em who I am. A nigga had it hard, had to sleep up in the van. I could never ask for help, you can never understand. Rack up in my pocket, I'ma put it in and blending. Tell me, drink big, yeah. Homie gave me on the big shit, trying to make a difference. I'm just that new kid, yeah. These damn rappers is a nuisance, gotta find a new sense. This how you tear it open. I hear it in their music, niggas are soft spoken. They hate to see it, all these moves put in damn motion. I gotta get it, I can't lose it, leave my heart broken. Leave my heart broken. You see, passion, it's quality and traits I've been lacking. And I listen to these raps and I just wonder what happened. Everybody want that blue cheese, that's why they get the cracking. It's a shame I be strapping. Will you want me at peace? Well, at least get the clapping. I'm straight out the street, dropping heat, I'm never slacking. No, that's where I'm be, I'm a lead, that's just a fraction. Just turn on the beat, smoke some weed and get the rapping. That's why they told me, drink big, yeah. Homie gave me on the big shit, trying to make a difference. I'm just that new kid, yeah. These damn rappers is a nuisance, gotta find a new sense. Living on my brother couch, writing all these songs. This is only temporary, this not where I belong. We didn't add a rep, but together we gon' be strong. If you ain't talking bucks, then we just gotta get them gone, yeah. I know I'm gonna win it, I know it's been a minute. I know I got a lot more and I ain't reached my limit. I know I just wanna soar and fly in free spirit. And when I walk through that door, you better be near it. Cause when it was bad, you ain't even wanna help us out. And now you mad, cause I'm not doing the nails. I know it's sad, cause I done found that better route. A nigga at the top, standing on some fucking clouds. Drink big, yeah. Homie and gave me on the big shit, trying to make a difference. I'm just that new kid, yeah. These damn rappers is a nuisance, gotta find a new sense. Drink big, yeah. Homie and gave me on the big shit, trying to make a difference. I'm just that new kid, yeah. These damn rappers is a nuisance, gotta find a new sense.